Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. For today, it is the 50th UAE National Day here in the UAE. So, our friends have invited us to go with them to Khorfakkan. Khorfakkan is a city and exclave of the Emirates of Sharjah. It is located on the east coast of the United Arab Emirates that is facing the Gulf of Oman and geographically surrounded by the Emirates of Fujairah. The distance between Dubai and Khorfakkan is 108 kilometer and the road distance is 131.1 kilometer. This is about 1.5 hours drive by car. Join with me guys as I explore Khorfakkan. Hi, welcome to Khorfakkan. So we're here now guys in Shis Park. Shis Park, this is a recreational park near the village of Shis in Khorfakkan. The park was constructed 8 months ago. It covers an area of 11,362 square meter and has a 25-meter high artificial waterfalls and includes 506 meters of walkways throughout 3 mountain terraces connected by stone stairs leading to the main viewing platform at a height of 30 meters from the main park level. This includes a children play area and a 32 shaded seating areas for families and an outdoor theater that can accommodate 70 people and a barbecue area. So this is the 25-meter high artificial waterfalls. The things to do in the Sheesh Park, you can climb the mountain walkways, marvel at the waterfalls, let the kids have fun at the playground, enjoy a barbecue picnic, and watch an interesting performance at the theater.
you cozy yet? Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.